Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make blur objects on your videos. So for specific corner or just an object you want to be blurring in your editing using CapCut. So the first thing I need to use material. I will use one of my videos on this channel. So I will just drag and drop here. First thing that I need to do, which is copy paste the clip itself, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. If you can't do that, just right click, then go to copy, and then you need to go to the paste one here. So for second thing that I need to do, which is going to the effects, blurring, just drag it in the second clip, please. Drag it in the second one, and then you will click on the first clip that it is copied, duplicated I mean. Go to the mask, add mask. Here is gonna be the blur which is not as what we want or what you expect. So the mask will be this object, then you go to reverse, which is selecting, let's say, the specific block that you want to blur. So that's it, how to blur an object in CapCut. I hope you like the video. Like, share and subscribe.